what is being said about the banks themselves, but also on certain generic themes. So I'd like to welcome Mark Drago, who is the MLRO and Head of Financial Crime Compliance at HSBC Bank Malta, and Mr. Ryan Caruana, who is the MLRO and Chief AFC Officer at Bank of Valletta.
According to the data collected from the FIAU, they actually terminated around 32,000 relationships with customers. The proceeds of foreign tax crime is actually rated as medium, so compared to the domestic tax crime, obviously it's significantly lower.
They mentioned that there are not a lot of STRs on this. So by default, that highlights that there's not much information to work with.
It doesn't mean that we really know exactly what the predicate offense is. So that data needs to come from outside the banking sector.
What the banks are reporting and what at least has been identified by the NRA as being the more serious areas is not in sync.
Major tax evasion is not using the banking sector for this type of crime.
Possibly we would not be seeing foreign tax crimes. I'm still certain that it exists, it just shifts to another sector.
I think the risk nowadays, Mark, is more on a BAU basis.
There are other sectors which have weak controls, and they actually mention them specifically. For example, the financial institutions in general, they actually mention the weaknesses, for example, in transaction monitoring.